Alright, we went ahead and did all the body repair. Got all the body damage out. Got it in prime right now. We went ahead and masked off as much as we can. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and Scotch-Brite that down. Or probably even 800 that or 600 depending on what we need. Clean up all the rest of the edges. We're going to butt line it off. And we're just going to spray just these areas. Let's see what the outcome can be. Stay tuned.